All of us, we just watch TikTok all day, right? Well, it is time to make some money with it. Let me show you how. So, whether you just scroll TikTok and you find a lot of these like useful and like really cool videos with a lot of views as well, you can profit off of this because there's a website which is going to give you the money if you bring the traffic through that website. There's going to be money. So, what do you want to do in order to start with this one is that, for example, you find certain video on TikTok which you like. So for example, let's just take this one for example. I just have to like complete this stupid captcha. Well, what am I going to do right now? Well, I just have to copy the link for this video. And if you right click on this video, whichever one that is, I'm on computer right now, but you can do it on a mobile phone as well. When I click on it, you can click on copy link. It is going to go to your clipboard. Otherwise, there is a copy link button here. So copy this link, and that is going to be the first step. Now we're going to use this website in order to pay us the money, and this website in order to get the traffic for it. So this website is called Xe.io, and this is basically a link shortener. Now what this means is that it is going to shorten your links after you make yourself an account, and whenever someone clicks on it, you will get money for it. Now, how does this work and how it pays you the money? Well, Xe.io is a link shortener, as I've told you. So a lot of advertisers, they just come on Xe.io and they give them the money to show their ads. So whenever someone clicks on your link, they will see an ad first and you will get paid. And after they click on that, they will of course be redirected to see the video that you have copied. Now you can see the payment proof here on their website on Xe.io, and you can see that certain people are making some nice amounts of money from this. Of course, this isn't going to be like thousands of dollars each single week, but it can be a nice side hustle if you just play with it. If you invest some time in this, it can be profitable. The more time you invest in this, the more money you can get. For example, this person got $74, and it's not bad for just copying and pasting the links, right? You have a lot of these payment proofs and you can get a lot of money, and you can get PayPal. As you can see, you can get Bitcoin, Payeer, Advance Cash, whichever one of these payment methods you prefer. Nowadays, of course, I would recommend getting some crypto because you can see that the Bitcoin in the last 3 months has been skyrocketing. It is a really good period for Bitcoin, and it's going to stay like this, I'm sure of it. But whichever method you prefer, it is just important that we shorten that link and we get the traffic for it. Because I've told you, the more traffic you come through this website, the more money you can get. So here is a breakdown on how much money you can get from this website. And for example, if you get 1,000 views from the United States, you can get $12 for it. From Canada, it's going to be $9. From the United Kingdom, it's going to be $7. Germany, $7, and so on. So you can see that there can be some good money for you if you just invest time and energy into it. So this is how it's actually going to work. So when you land on the website, you're going to make yourself an account. Log in inside of this, and then you will just paste that link of that TikTok video, and you will click on the shorten button. And when you click on it, this is your link. Okay, so this is the shortened link, which is now being monetized. So you now just copy this and you find the traffic for it. And of course, whenever someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to see an ad first, which they can skip, of course, and that is getting you the money. Hence, it is a monetized link now. But how and where to get the traffic for it? Well, it is Imgur.com. Now, Imgur.com has a lot of images, pictures, GIFs, and whatnot. And people are just going inside of this. For example, you can see that you can paste the whole video, but this is not what we are going to do. We are going to just redirect those people, okay? So what do you want to do? You want to go and make yourself an account on Imgur.com, and you can click on this button, which is entitled New Post. Click on the new post, and now you just have to drop a certain image in here. Now, what you can do is you can go back to your TikTok video, and you can take the thumbnail of this video by using your snipping tool on the Windows machine or whichever tool you want, guys. You can just Google for screenshot on Windows and you can just hit the print screen button, or you can just download some of these tools in order to take these screenshots. I'm going to use the tool which is already in the windows. And this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna select this and I'm gonna do it like this, and I have a picture. Then I'm gonna go and upload that picture on Imager. And of course, that picture has been uploaded, and now in the title it is important to write something about that video, and you have to write that the link is below. Okay, so the title is something like this. Best paper video, let's say like that. So best paper video on TikTok. And you can, of course, just write a link below. Okay, so that's how we are going to make it. And the most important part is that you go down there and you just add a description. So in the description box, you go and copy your link because that's where the people are going to click on, right? Click on the copy, go back to Imager, paste that in here, and then just go to community. And that's it, guys. A lot of people are going to see that, and a lot of people are going to click on it. Now, this is the reason why I use Imager.com for the traffic source, because Imager.com has 140 million total visits each month. So this means that it is a pretty popular website, okay? So a lot of people are coming through this website. So you can see 160 million, 157, 140 million in the month of February, which is, of course, the month with the lowest number of days. So that's why it has declined. Otherwise, it is a pretty popular platform and can be profitable if you use this strategy. Now, of course, for this method, you don't have to only use TikTok videos. You can take some YouTube videos, you can take some shorts, you can take whatever you want, and then monetize those links using Exy.io. Now, it is going to be a bit different on YouTube because you can use the thumbnails that they've got. So, for example, you want to go and you want to take this video. What are you going to do? Well, right-click on it, and then you just have to click on copy link because we want to get this thumbnail. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to search for thumbnail grabber. Okay, so thumbnail grabber is a thing that is going to download your thumbnails from YouTube. So you will just go, you will just paste that YouTube URL, get thumbnail images, and you will get this thumbnail in HD quality. Okay, so now you're just going to download this one, and then you go to Imager and you repeat the process, only this time you're going to shorten the video on Exy, and you will use this thumbnail, this image that you have generated using this tool. And of course, Imager is going to do the work once more. This is, of course, going to work all around the world, so you don't have to worry about that. Location is not important at all, and there can really be some good money in it. So that's it. That's the whole strategy. I think it is a really easy one, and a lot of people can get some nice side income for themselves if they just utilize this. This is a good opportunity. Go and take it if you want. I'll catch you later.